The guy finds an old disc phone covered with dust in the attic. He connects it for the sake of interest. Although the line should have been disconnected a long time ago, at night, the phone suddenly starts ringing. A loud metal ringing is heard through the empty house. The guy picks up the phone. There is a quiet whisper on the line. "Don't answer." He's already nearby.
Yeah, what is it now? A case? At this hour? In this hour?
The phone rings again in a few minutes.
What was that?
The voice is already shaking. He's standing outside the door.
A haunted toaster? You've got to be kidding me.
The phone rings for the third time. Now the voice says, "He's standing right behind you." The guy understands the voice in the phone sounds exactly like his own. The next day, the police find the house empty. There is a phone on the table, and he starts calling again.